Now the flange coupling, I go for assembly of flange coupling. So open create parametric software, file, new, go for assembly, give OK. This is the assembly window. In assembly window, choose assemble. So first choose part number 1, change the position. Give OK. First part is fixed. Again give assemble part number 1. Give OK. Select the center axis. The center axis will be coincident. So again choose this center axis, this whole center axis will be coincident. Again choose this surface, this surface will be coincident. Okay, the part is fully constrained, so give OK. Again go for assemble, select part 2, give OK. Select the center axis shaft, center axis of flange, give coincident. Select this surface, this surface will be parallel, then select the surface, this one, give distance, I will give distance of 45, give OK. So now the part is fully constrained, give OK. The shaft is created. Again the keyhole is inserted in the shaft. Go for third, give OK. Select the surface, select the surface. Again select side surface, this part side surface will be coincident. The first one is angle offset. That will be a coincident. Again, I choose this surface, Then I choose the surface, the center. A coincident. Now the key is inserted. Next we go for bolt and nut. Select part number 4. And select the center axis. The whole center axis. Give coincident. And select the surface. And this surface will be coincident. When that part is created, the part is fully constrained. So one part is created, then we go for pattern, select part 4, pattern, select the axis, select the soft center axis, so give OK. So for remaining 3 bolts is created using pattern option, then assemble part 5, give OK, zoom it, select the center axis of the nut and center axis of the bolt. Give coincident. And select this surface and this surface. Be coincident, fully constrained, so give OK. So again one bolt is created, go for pattern option, select the fifth part, pattern, select the axis, select the soft center axis, give OK. So the fourth bolt is created. So now the assembly of flange coupling. The entire part is created using Creo parametric software. Now go for appearance gallery, give, select the part, give OK. And let's choose the shaft. And select the nut and bolt part. Select the, again select the nut. Choose different color. So the assembly of flange coupling is completed. To change the different colors. Yes. Now file, save as. So in how to change the image format, choose JPG. give OK, and give dots per inch is 600 dots per inch. The resolution is high. Select the image, and the final assembly image is stored in the folder. So now the full part is completed using Creo parametric software. So thanks for watching.